We use 360-degree images to share with others an important environment, to highlight features of a specific location, or perhaps explain ideas or activities that require the context of a special place. While the Theta camera lets us capture those locations, we now need to put these photospheres in editing software that lets us make them more meaningful and easy to share. The STEM T4L project provides pro access to 2 applications for schools that have borrowed the 360-degree camera: CoSpaces EDU and Situ 360. In this video, we're going to look at how to get your 360-degree still images into CoSpaces. Now, CoSpaces does not support 360-degree video, so this is just about still images. First of all, open up a web browser and head to edu.cospaces.io and log in with your Google credential. We recommend using the sign in with Google option and use your @education.nsw.gov.au account. This way, the password is managed by the Education Department. On the left-hand side, click Classes and create a class. You can always come back to get this class code from the ellipsis or click into the class and you'll see it on the right. Take that class code and give it to your students. They will use it to create their student account and join your class. That's how they will get access to pro features. Now, download the images from the camera just like any other USB device. Plug the cable into your laptop and drag the images into a folder on that computer. You can't drag them from the camera straight into CoSpaces. It won't work. It's not uncommon to take more photographs than you need, so select the best and delete the rest. If you haven't taken any photos with the 360-degree camera, but you want to practice the workflow, then head to the Learning Library, as it has a collection of photos that you can download. Use the link t4l.link/STEM and then use the board code 382 in the search field. There's lots of images here that you can download to practice with. In CoSpaces EDU, click on CoSpaces on the left, then Create CoSpace. You'll notice that there are 3 types of spaces, depending on the technology that you want to use. For a 360-degree photo, use 360-degree image. Click on the empty scene to begin creating. Once your empty scene has loaded, click Environment from the tabs at the bottom left, then click Edit to choose your panorama. Now, let's add an object into the environment. Click on Library. I'm going to see what's in animals. Let's choose this snake. That looks like it belongs here. Left click and drag the animal into your scene. Now use the handles to resize and rotate. To share your new 360-degree environment so that others can see it, go to the Share on the top right of the screen. Click Share again if it's still private. All CoSpaces begin in the default private setting. Give it a meaningful name, add a description that describes what viewers might see or what they might be looking for. Choose the security setting that you want. You'll be taken to the title screen of your new creation, where you can find more sharing information. This video is part of a series of support videos all about the kit that you have borrowed. To find the other videos in this series, head to the Learning Library and visit the kit page for the equipment you've borrowed. You can also find the full list of support videos for all of our kit on the YouTube channel. You can also join us in the Yammer community. If you have any questions or you'd like to ask teachers how they've used the equipment in their classroom, then why not join us on the STEM T4L Facebook community? It's a closed group. You can ask teachers how they've used the equipment and also share the work samples that your students have created.